Hi, my name is Pranav Saita. I lead the Family Business Initiative at Ernst & Young in India. I wear multiple hats actually at EY, but essentially I am, in terms of functional specialization, part of the tax and regulatory services group, and I specialize and focus on structuring of transactions of family businesses, promoter groups and so on. Wonderful conference really. We just had a panel discussion of a very illustrious panel comprising Dilip Choksi, Atul from Merrill Lynch and Abhijit from AZB. Apart from myself, I had the good fortune of moderating that particular panel. The kind of opportunity that we see in India in terms of this particular space of wealth management, particularly in terms of very high net worth individuals, promoter families and so on, is immense. Of course, there are enough complexities along the way. We have all diverse kinds of situations, families, where we have pure blue-blooded NRIs wanting to invest in India, having investments across the world. We have real homegrown Indian families which have wealth in India, significant wealth abroad as well, and are willing to also look at further opportunities for investments all over the world. The complexities really surround the tax and regulatory issues, exchange control issues, SEBI and other related issues, intellectual property right related issues, especially when, for example, a family has common shared intellectual property and intangibles which are used by several businesses and vehicles across the family. There are issues concerning multiple generations and how one segregates control of the family versus management of the various businesses, many a times completely professionalized managements. There's always the hesitancy in addressing this particular issue head on, particularly amongst Indian families, but increasingly we are seeing that that particular aspect is being looked at with far more openness within members of the family, and there's a willingness to look at how one has to plan for the overseas and the onshore wealth for various generations to come. So really we find this particular space as being extremely exciting. A recent study seems to suggest that the private wealth being managed probably amongst Indians, amongst very high net worth individuals, is more than $2 trillion and set to grow to $5 trillion by 2018. So the opportunity is huge. The willingness to look at especially such structuring options is also very much in Indian families now, and one can see very exciting times ahead. Thank you.